Hello diecast collectors! Thanks for tuning in again, and I can promise you, this time you are in for something very special. In this video we will take a closer look at an old Hot Wheels model of an even older car. The legendary 1963 Ford Thunderbird. I have to say it once again. The 1963 Ford Thunderbird. This wasn't just a car, it was basically a rolling spaceship for the streets of the 1960s. Look at that super long hood, the jet age body and the massive chrome grille. They don't build cars like this anymore. The real 1963 Thunderbird was part of the third generation of Thunderbirds, often called the Bullet Birds, because of their futuristic rocket-inspired design. They were powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 300 horsepower. Way back in the early 1960s, this was considered serious luxury performance. Hot Wheels did a really solid job translating all the car details into this tiny model. It captures the low, wide luxury cruiser vibe perfectly. The Thunderbird was first seen in the Hot Wheels lineup in 1998, and you can easily tell this is a very different breed than the models we get these days. The base plate is still all metal and the model is quite heavy. No surprise they stopped production of this model in 2013. This very model is a variant from 2003. For serious collectors, the 1963 Thunderbird represents one of Ford's boldest design eras. More relaxed, more stylish, more cinematic, like a classic Hollywood movie. I'm very glad I could add this American legend to my Hot Wheels collection.